Hey guys, welcome to Garden with Sunny YouTube channel, and in this video we are gonna see how to make an orchid terracotta planter under rupees 15. And this is a really cheaper substitute of the terracotta planters that we get online because they are really expensive, and I just end up making this beautiful terracotta planter under just 15 rupees. And this is how it's gonna look when it's totally done. So all you need is a terracotta pot or a kullad. You will get it for like 2 to 3 rupees, some brick chips or some broken pot chips, a jute fiber wire which I wetted so I can use it easily, and at last some vanda orchids. And these are those orchids from my last vlogs which I collected from the wild, and they have grown quite well. So I'm gonna transfer them to this terracotta planter. So let's begin the process, and as you can see at the end it will end up sticking up to the pot, and it's a self-watering pot, so you don't need to water it every time. So first of all, what are we gonna do is take a glue gun and glue the pieces randomly on the terracotta pot. So as you can see here, I will just apply a little bit of the glue on the chip. I guess that's it, and now I'll just randomly stick it onto the pot and make it firm so it won't come off. Just remove the glue threads that are remaining. Use a very little quantity of glue so that it won't come out of the cracks. That's it. Now we have sticked our pieces to the terracotta pot, and now what are we gonna do is take your orchids and place them wherever you want, wherever they go well. Like I can see this is a slot on this chip, and the roots are in the shape right as they are. So I guess I'll do this and I'll just keep it firm. And now what am I gonna do is take my jute fiber wire, uncoil it, cover it around the pot, and tie a knot so that it holds it firmly and tightly. Not too firm, not too tight. Just make sure the grip is correct. Orchid will set its roots into the pot in a few days, and you can just remove the thread itself and the plant will keep stuck to the pot. Tie a very firm knot. Make sure it's not too tight. So as you can see, now we have attached both the plants onto the pot. Now what are we gonna do is just cut the remaining threads with a scissor like this, and that's it. We are good to go, guys. All we need to do is just take some water and fill the pot with the water, and make sure you use the filtered water so that there are not a lot of salts, because salts block the pores of the pot, and after some time you will notice that the pot has started getting wet. Like it's really wet now, and as you can see the roots have turned green. That means they are absorbing the water as well, and that's a good sign. And as you can see, this will turn out to be this in the future. And that's how you make a terracotta planter under rupees 15. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, comment and share, as well as consider subscribing the channel. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.